Passion Monet back again, and today I'm going to show you my nails. As y'all can see, they beat up and they tied, and the polish done came off and they not shaped right. So I think I want to do some fake nails. I got these stiletto nails from Amazon. As you can see, if it'll focus, nails by Gaga, and I got them in the stiletto shapes. It came with all of these. I think it's like 500 of them, all different sizes. So I'm gonna pick the sizes for my nails and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the nail sizes for my left hand, which is 1, 4, 2, 3, and 7. So now I'm gonna get these set up to decorate before I put them on my nails and everything. I'm trying to think of a design. I know I want to use these crystals that I got from Amazon. They're kind of holographic. I don't know if you can see it, but they're super cute and I'm excited to use them. So now, ladies, what I'm doing is taking this double-sided tape and I'm sticking it onto this box. This is the box that my UV lamp came in. This UV lamp that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to go in with this Kiss Gel Strong nail polish in the color Lemonade, and I'm just going to polish some of the nails. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm just going to take the nails and I'm going to cure them in this UV lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to go in with a second coat. Make sure I get everything that I missed. I'm going to cure that second coat of polish for 60 seconds one more time. Okay, so now that I got the yellow nails done, I'm going to focus on the white nails, and those are the nails that I want to use these crystals on. So I'm going to decide which ones I want. They have all different sizes in here. These are the smallest, and it goes up to about this size. So I think I'm going to use the number 6. This brush on nail glue that I got off Amazon is from Mia's Secret, and I'm going to try it out right now. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom in. Make sure there's not any spots, and I think I see a spot right here that I missed. So I'm going to add some glue and just put some tiny crystals, the real small ones in that area, because I don't think it's going to fit. Now this nail took longer than I thought with these crystals. So I'll probably just do something simple on the other nail. But I'm taking these really tiny crystals right here. The other ones were number 6. These are number 3. And if you like these crystals, I will leave the link down below. As I said before, I got them off of Amazon. Y'all know I use Amazon for everything. And it was for the low, y'all. It's like 2,000 something crystals in here, all different sizes. Yeah, I just had to take the time to give y'all a close up. This is gorgeous. Do y'all see that? This is after being cured for 60 seconds. Do y'all see those colors? Like what? I love these crystals. Can't wait to use them more in the future. But it came out cute. So let's get back to the rest of the nails. I went ahead and polished all of the nails, got them all done for both hands. And for that extra white nail, which was this one, I just went ahead and polished it with the yellow color. Y'all know I'm extra, so I gotta add some more jewels on it. I chose to do the tiny crystals because I don't want to use all of my big crystals like these. So I got these tiny. These not the smallest, but they pretty small. So let's get started. Okay, ladies, so now that I have finished putting the rhinestones, well, not the rhinestones, the crystals on the other nails that I wanted to do, right now I'm going to go in with the top coat, and I couldn't find my regular top coat, so I'm going to use this top coat from Burano. It came with my Polygel kit, so I'm just going to use this on the yellow nails. And after I put this on and apply it, I'm just gonna cure it. Okay, ladies, so I just finished curing the nails, both hands in the UV lamp. So now I'm gonna go in and just touch up my cuticles, get some shaping going on, push them back, you know, just clean it up a little so my nails could be prepped to apply the other nails. Okay, ladies, now that I've cleaned up the cuticles and everything, I'm gonna take my glue and just start applying the nails. So here we go.